Is your Android phone battery draining way too fast? Don't worry, I have got you covered. I have compiled 20 of the most common questions about Android battery issues and their simple solution to help you fix battery drain and make your phone last much longer. So let's dive straight in and start saving that battery. Question 1. How to stop Android phone battery is draining too fast? Solution: use power saving mode. Go to settings, tap battery, tap power savings, toggle power saving on. Why it matters? Reduce CPU speed, background data and other power hungry process. Question 2. How to make Android phone to learn our habit to save battery? Solution: turn on adaptive battery. Go to settings, tap battery, tap background usage limits, tap three dots in the top right hand corner, tap adaptive battery, toggle on adaptive battery. Why it matters? Limits battery use for apps you rarely open, saving energy automatically. Question 3. How can I stop unused apps from silently draining my phone battery? Solution: put unused apps to sleep. Go to settings, tap battery, tap background usage limits, tap put unused app to sleep, toggle it on. Why it matters? Stops unused apps from waking up and draining your battery silently. Question 4. How do I stop rarely used apps from running in the background? Solution: limit background usage of rare apps. Go to settings, tap battery, tap background usage limits, tap sleeping apps, add apps you rarely use. Why it matters? Reduce unnecessary background processes. Question 5. Can my phone automatically save power based on my habits? Solution: turn on adaptive power saving. Go to settings, tap battery, tap power savings, tap three dot on the top right hand corner, select adaptive power savings, turn on adaptive power savings. Why it matters? Automatically adjust power savings based on your habits. Question 6. How can I reduce battery wear from fast charging? Solution: turn off fast charging when not needed. Go to settings, tap battery, tap charging settings, turn off fast charging. Why it matters? Slow charging generates less heat, which is better for long-term battery health. Question 7. How can I prevent overheating during wireless charging? Solution: turn off fast wireless charging. Go to settings, tap battery, tap charging settings, turn off fast wireless charging. Why it matters? Lower charging speeds keep the battery cooler and healthier. Question 8. How can I save battery when I leave my phone idle? Solution: lower screen timeout. Go to settings, tap display, tap screen timeout, select 15 seconds. Why it matters? Shorter timeout prevents the screen from staying on unnecessarily. Question 9. How can I save battery while keeping my screen stylish? Solution: enable dark mode. Go to settings, tap display, select dark mode on. Why it matters? On OLED screens, black pixels use less power. Question 10. How can I instantly reduce battery drain from the screen? Solution: lower screen brightness. Swipe down and adjust the brightness slider lower. Why it matters? Screen is the number one battery drain. Dimming helps instantly. Question 11. How can my phone auto adjust brightness to save power? Solution: turn on adaptive brightness. Go to settings, tap display, tap adaptive brightness to turn it on. Why it matters? Prevent the screen from staying too bright unnecessarily. Question 12. How can I reduce battery drain from high screen resolution? Solution: lower screen resolution. Go to settings, tap display, tap screen resolution, select FHD plus or HD plus. Why it matters? Lower resolution reduce GPU workload, saving battery. Question 13. How do I save battery by reducing refresh rate? Solution: lower screen refresh rate. Go to settings, tap display, tap motion smoothness, select standard 60 Hz, then apply. Why it matters? Half refresh rate, saving screen power. Question 14. How can I stop always on display from draining my phone battery? Solution: reduce always on display usage. Go to settings, tap lock screen, tap always on display, tap when to show, select tap to show. Why it matters? Turn off always on display when you don't need it, saving battery. Question 15. How can I save battery if I don't need 5G? Solution: turn off 5G. Go to settings, tap connections, tap mobile networks, tap network mode, select 4G. Why it matters? Reduce radio power draw in areas with poor 5G signal. Question 16. How can I stop my phone from constantly scanning for Wi-Fi? Go to settings, tap location, tap location services, turn Wi-Fi scanning off. Why it matters? Stop background scanning that wastes power. Question 17. How can I stop hidden Bluetooth battery drain? Solution: turn off Bluetooth scanning. Go to settings, tap location, tap location services, turn Bluetooth scanning off. Why it matters? Same as Wi-Fi scanning. Stop constant searching. Question 18. How can I save battery in areas with no signal? Solution: use airplane mode in low signal areas. Swipe down and turn airplane mode on. Why it matters? Prevent your phone from boosting signal constantly. Question 19. How can I stop notification from waking the screen and using power? Solution: turn off unnecessary notifications. Go to settings, tap notification, tap app notifications. In this list of apps notification, turn off rarely used apps. Why it matters? Reduce screen wake-ups and background usage. Question 20. How can I instantly boost my battery with one tap? Solution: use device care optimization. Go to settings, tap device care, Tap Optimize now. Why it matters? Closes background apps, clears memory, and reduce drain. And that's it. 20 powerful solutions to fix Android battery drain problems. Try these tips today and enjoy longer battery life every single day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.